Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, one and all, to the Knowledge Festival team, sir. And my very good afternoon to my dear senior Dr. Arula Madan, Professor, sir. I am Dr. N.R. Panirselvam, presented here a role of Urai Matre as Siddha polyherbal formulation, sir, as an immunomodulator in children, especially in the time of pandemic now, sir. Please, next slide, sir. Yeah, introduction. Children are the heart of the fears around a possible third wave of COVID-19 in India. During the second wave of COVID-19, the virus had mutated and showed higher infectivity, and yet the Delta variant has caused much anxiety among Indian parents. As we are all know about, ACE2 is the main receptor for the entry of SARS-CoV-2 into human cells. It has also been postulated that children have ACE2 receptors with a lower affinity to the SARS-CoV-2 and a different distribution across the body sites, making the entry of SARS-CoV-2 into cells more difficult. It is one of the main reasons why children are not affected very much around the world in past 2 waves or 3 waves around the world. Now we will expect third wave in India and all over the world. It will target pediatric population, and especially in India, it will target pediatric population and also rural population. The Indian Academy of Pediatrics says that children are susceptible as adults and older individuals to develop infection, but not severe disease. Currently, India has no COVID-19 vaccines for children. This could be a reason why more children may be impacted in subsequent ones. Maybe it will introduce in India by March 22. COVID vaccinations for children in India in March 22. Warning sign indicates when a large number of children get affected, they may develop MISC, multi-system inflammatory children, that could lead to deaths among children. It will cause after 4 to 6 weeks of infections, and the symptoms might have fever, severe abdominal pain, and convulsions and hypotension, like that symptoms. Next slide, please. Siddha, the traditional Siddha system of medicine, being the oldest ancient ways in which of maintaining a healthy life, and emphasizes the importance of physical, emotional, psychological, social well-being. The real strength of Siddha system relies on preventive and encouraging healthcare deliveries and management. Fundamental principle of this medicine successfully eliminates the evil side effects without losing the beneficial medicinal properties. Specific Siddha drug formulations exclusive for pediatric usage are given by Siddhas to combat childhood diseases and disorders. One among them is Urai Matre, composing 10 highly potential ingredients, which has the greater ability to cure diseases. Next slide, please. Urai Matre, Urai means rubbing, and Matre denotes its physical form. Urai Matre is a folk-class Siddha formulation employed as a immune pill for past 3 decades in hospital pharmacopoeia. The name itself denotes the mode of administration, given by rubbing and mixing with mother's milk and directly applying it to the baby's tongue. This immune pill has a major role in pediatric and childhood immune modulatory process. The drug helps improve the self-defense mechanism and boost the whole immunity. The clinical dose of these medicines is 50 mg and 100 from 50 mg to 100 mg. It will prevent recurrent respiratory infections and GIT problems and also anorexia. These drugs effects Urai Matre have hard potency and pungent taste. In post-digestion, it will convert into fire moiety, which in turn increases the IL of the body. IL in Siddha, it is responsible for the immunity as per Siddha construct. Vadamai padaithu pitta vanniyai kaathu serthuma seethamai thodaithu. Immunity is taken care with the increase of IL. Next slide, please. And these are the ingredients: Adimaduram, licorice. Especially in first wave in Wuhan, Chinese doctors along with allopathy medicines, licorice was used widely to treat COVID-19 patients in China. Adimaduram is one of the wonderful drugs to treat COVID-19 all over the world in traditional medicines. It is one of the ingredient in Uraimatri also. Vernacular name Adimaduram licorice. It has antiviral property and anti-inflammatory property. Next slide, please. Next one is Agraharam anacyclis pyrethrum. It has also anti-convulsion property. Anti-convulsion property, it will prevent in MIS-C. Convulsion is one of the symptom. Agraharam is a drug which have anti-convulsion property, antidepressant property also. It will prevent anorexia also. Immune stimulant also. Next slide, please. Next one is Vasambu. In Tamil Nadu, it is called as Pillai Marundu or Per Solla Marundu. Acorus calamus, it is very famous in Tamil Nadu in South India, used widely from the day of birth of children in Tamil Nadu. It has the activities of anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antispasmodic like that. Next one, please. Jadikai Mystica fragrance. It has also antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulator activities. Next slide, please. Kadukai. It is one of the superior drug in our system, Siddha system of medicines. It is widely used in Tamil Nadu. Antioxidant, antidiarrheal, immunomodulator property is there. Next slide, please. Masikai Quercus infectoria. It is also has immunomodulator properties there. Anti-inflammatory properties there. Next slide, please. Poondu garlic allium sativum. It is widely used in food in South India and especially in Tamil Nadu. Anti-allergic, anti-ulcer, antimicrobial, and it has also immune stimulant properties there. Next slide, please. Tipili Piperlongum. It has also anti-inflammatory property and immunomodulator is there. Next slide, please. Perungayum ferula axafoetida. Best digestive property is there. Anti-cancer, antioxidant, antispasmodic properties is the next slide, please. And Chukku dry ginger, Gingiber officinale. It has also anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and antiviral activities there. Next slide, please. Yeah, that is conclusion. Uraimatri has been used from the time immemorial. It is in the form of long finger sized pellets, dosage from 50 mg to 100 mg. It will prevent and cure recurrent respiratory infections, GI tract infections like that. It indicates that the ingredients of these drugs have potent and proven immunomodulatory, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, and digestive properties. Its role in overall prophylactic and therapeutic action with regard to child health is noteworthy. Today's children are the future citizens of our nation. This polyherbal drug formulation shows importance in managing the forthcoming third wave of COVID-19 in children, promising to have a better nation with healthy citizens, good health status, growth, and development at different stages of your life. Another studies shows it did not cause either mortality or any side effects on clinical signs or behavioral activities, biochemical, hormonal, and histological changes, etc. One study shows the hypersensitivity reactions of immunomodulatory study suggest that the fourth hour reaction was found to be higher magnitude than the first hour reaction. It indicates that Uraimatri has a greater effect on the delayed hypersensitivity reaction, that is immunomodulatory. With the emergence of newer infections and allergens day by day, treatment options are often short-lived and the need of finding out new drugs is need of the hour. Improve overall immune power of individuals, especially from the childhood itself, is a very important one. Uraimatri, a very good immune booster and Siddha immune pill.